Goodnight Farm, the farm animals were winding down after a day full of adventures. Let's go see who's still up before they succumb to the sweet embrace of sleep. Hello, cow. She spent the day happily grazing in the meadow, and now, as night falls, has found the perfect spot in a warm pile of hay to relax. Can you mimic the cow's soft mooing? Good night, cow. Hello, chicken, who has been bustling around the farm all day and now has nestled into her nest, wrapping her wings around herself for a cozy sleep. Can you wave and say good night to the chicken? Good night, chicken. Hello, sheep, who frolicked in the pasture with their woolly friends, and now, as the sky fills with stars, has curled up in a soft spot. Try giving the sheep a hug and saying, good night. Good night, sheep. Hello, horse, who galloped along the farm's paths, and now, with a cool evening breeze, has found a warm corner for himself. Give a big yawn and say, good night. Good night, horse. Hello, duck, who was lightly dancing on the water while swimming in the pond, and now, as she drifts off to sleep, has found a peaceful spot by the water's edge. Whisper a gentle good night to the duck. Good night, duck. As the farm quiets down, the night sky twinkles, and all the farm animals lie down for sweet dreams. You've done a great job helping them to sleep. Now, lay your head down, close your eyes, and dream of your adventures on the farm. Good night, little one. Good night, farm.